This is the back deck I grew up on. Lots of birthdays, cookouts, and late nights under the stars. But like all good things, they have to come to an end. The wood's rotting, the nails are rising, and honestly, it's just not that safe anymore. Now to take out the railings. All right, so first things first, I think I'm gonna cut here. And the work has begun. Real old deck. We got bugs coming out. Started raining on us, but we have our first problem officially. We have wasps. So to combat that, we're gonna be using wasp spray. So my mom has a garden right here. So the wasp killer is just not gonna be the move. So we're just gonna send it. Hope they don't sting or bite me. Sometimes you just gotta do it, you know what I mean? As you can see, plenty of wasp nests. It's like a reward. Now it's time to start ripping up the deck. We got this big ass like iron crowbar. So what I'm gonna do, disrupt it where we can pull them up. And it's nice and rotten, so just pull up pretty easily. got it all pretty much cleaned up. I'll be honest with you though, we're a little disappointed in the concrete pad that was underneath the porch. The porch had to go, so we don't like regret taking it out, but we're pretty disappointed with what we got here. That's about all she wrote. The porch is out of here, demoed. I'm starting a new channel and you know, we're gonna see where it takes us. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you like and subscribe. Let me know what you think we should do out here.